Hello. Say hello. Hello. She's a bit sleepy. She worked from midnight till 11 a.m. So she's a bit sleepy. She slept a bit, but we decided to come to the beach. And today
I was kidnapped from my bed.
Kidnapped Celia from her sleep. Now you're gonna sleep on the beach. You'll see.
Sleep.
You need your beauty sleep. Okay. Yeah, we're going to the beach. It's a bit windy, but it's good. And it's a bit late now. It's 4 o'clock. A quarter to 4. And we're going to the beach now. We're planning to stay late until it's late.
Until sunset.
Until the sunset. Because the other day we did that and it was really good. We had live music, so we're hoping today we will have the same kind of luck. We'll see.
We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on a terrace. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall by yourself? Well, I'm wasted for someone else.
So, Rafaela and Gonzalo, which is the name of the guy you saw, they went surfing, and Sally and I stayed here on the beach. They went somewhere else, they're not here. And Sally is trying to sleep, and I'm going to study for my English teaching course, intensive course, in August.
If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could.
A little bit windy.
A little bit. That's an overstatement. An understatement. Because I'm eating sand. I was eating sand.
That's cool. It's vegan.
Yeah, it's vegan. It's vegan. Eat sand. It's good.
I had a lot of pee inside my wetsuit. A lot of them. Like 5 liters.
A pee. So your wetsuit is kind of...
No, because I put water after.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're clean.
They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.
We came to the bar. We're changing tables again. What's with us?
And I love it. Ain't no sunshine when she's born. I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. There ain't no sunshine. Esta noite estou tão frágil, frágil. Preciso ser ágil.
We're in the car now. And this is what Rafaela does with the people that come with her. She just puts a board in the middle of us, like... Yeah. I'm isolated. This is very cruel. I don't know if I want to come with her anymore. And the plan is to go home. Okay, Sally and Rafael are going to their house. They're going to change. Apparently I don't need to change. And then we're going to the mall to have dinner. And then we're going to another beach. went to a bar, and that's it.
Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris. Cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet, out on the terrace. We're breathing the air of this small town on our own, cutting glass with the thrill of it, getting drunk on the past we were living in. If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything, they'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are. Show them we are. Show them we are. Show them we are. Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris. Let's show them we are better. We were staying in Paris. 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 Let's show them we are.
We came to the mall, the shopping center, to have dinner. But because I don't like sushi, they came to the sushi, but because I don't like sushi, I ordered a pizza and I'm gonna eat here while they're having sushi. And Tafel's brother joined us.
Go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris. We were staying in Paris. Let's show them we are
I'm crazy in love. Bye bye, daddy.
It's so late that everything is closing, and we're still here.
down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better. We're staying in Paris.
What are you drinking?
I don't know the name.
Caipirosca. Caipirosca.